Welcome to LMS Solution. In today's session, we are going to discuss the implementation of a sliding mode controller based P&O MPPT algorithm for a solar PV system. The developed model uses a 250-watt photovoltaic panel whose main specifications are open circuit voltage of 37, 3V maximum power point voltage of 30, 7V short circuit current of 8, 66A and maximum power current of 8.15. The PV panel characteristics vary with irradiation. Under 1000 WM2, the peak power is nearly 250.2. For 800 WM2, it becomes 199. For 600 WM2, about 149.62. And for 400 M2, around 98.97 W. Since the maximum power point changes with irradiation, an effective MPPT method is essential. In this system, the PV source is connected to a variable load through a boost converter. The boost converter parameters, namely inductor and capacitor values, are designed using PV power, input voltage, output voltage, ripple current percentage, and voltage ripple percentage. Here, the output voltage is selected in the range of 50 to 60 V. For MPPT control, the conventional PO algorithm generates the reference voltage using measured PV voltage and current. This reference voltage is compared with the actual PV voltage, and the resulting error along with its rate of change is processed through a sliding mode controller. The controller output is then fed to a hysteresis controller which generates switching pulses for the IGBT. The system is tested under changing irradiation and changing load conditions. Simulation results confirm that the controller successfully maintains operation near the maximum power point and ensures stable PV and load performance.